Hello, my name is Randy, one of Woodland's NFI certified Master Hearth professionals. Today we're going to preview the Superior 4543 Ventless fireplace and its exclusive features. We're going to start with the 43-inch linear opening with a nice contemporary configuration allowing you to see the nice yellow flames. As we move to the inside of the fireplace, it comes with 3 porcelain reflective panels, increasing the flame presentation reflecting off of those panels. The fireplace comes with clear fire glass. However, optional green, blue, and amber are available. Another option that is really nice for this is a see-through option. It's an optional kit that turns this fireplace into a see-through, being able to see from one room to the next. Gas controls are conveniently located under the burner pan, easily accessible by removing an access panel. Now, although it is an electronic ignition system, it does have a battery backup. In the event you lose power, you will still be able to use the fireplace. The fireplace operates at 99.9% heating efficiency, providing 37,000 BTUs with the natural gas model and 39,000 BTUs with the propane model. Your fireplace comes with a full functional handheld digital remote control, built-in thermostat settings that control temperature. Towards the bottom, you're going to find it has a setting for variable flame. And what that's going to do, it's going to allow your flame to come up and down, which is also going to increase and decrease the heat output. The other thing it has is 6 distinctive settings for the lighting, which is going to illuminate all the way across underneath the fire glass, shining up through that fire glass. Also, you can set it for a continuous pilot ignition system or an intermittent pilot ignition. The Superior fireplace is backed by a 20-year limited warranty, which is going to guarantee you many years of comfort and enjoyment. To purchase this fireplace or any other Superior fireplace, please visit us at woodlanddirect.com.